Sending money from Wise to PayPal involves a few steps to ensure a smooth transfer. Here's a guide. Link PayPal account. If you haven't already, link your PayPal account to your Wise account. This might involve verifying your PayPal email address. Add PayPal as a recipient. In your Wise account, set up PayPal as a recipient by providing the necessary details. This typically includes your PayPal email address and possibly other information depending on your region. Verify details. Double check that the PayPal email address you provided is accurate and associated with your PayPal account. Initiate transfer. From your Wise account, initiate a transfer to the PayPal recipient you've set up. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Currency and fees. Be aware of the currency conversion rates and any applicable fees for the transfer. Wise generally offers competitive exchange rates. Review transfer details. Before confirming the transfer, carefully review all the details, including the recipient's information and the transfer amount. Complete transfer. Once you're sure all the details are correct, confirm the transfer. Wise will process the transfer to your PayPal account. Conversion and usage. If the funds were sent in a different currency, PayPal might convert them to your account's primary currency. Be aware of any potential conversion fees.